Guys, it's around 8 o'clock in the morning. We got Ken Saito's K-Truck, highball, exclamation mark, right-hand drive. Here we go. Oh!
Hello. Good morning.
Oh, fuck! What the fuck? We're going the wrong way. Drastic change from the luxurious and very spacey LS 500 F-Sport by Lexus. This K-Truck has 34 horsepower. We're currently going to 17-mile drive in Pebble Beach, guys. Got quite a special surprise for you guys, so stay tuned. And it's manual. There it is, guys. It's around 8:30 a.m. We got the highway patrol officer and the K-Truck with the Batmobile. Dude, he's just chilling. Check out that massive antenna on the top of his highway patrol car. Good lord. Got the K-Truck with the Batmobile on 17-mile drive. Just chilling, hanging out with some of our favorite sea animals and birds, and possibly some squirrels. It's got the red LEDs. Check that out. Also, right there as well, I did not notice that these were not on when I last sat in it, but dude, this thing is pretty beast. All carbon fiber work, chassis of a Lamborghini Gallardo, and it's got the Batmobile sign right there as well. Always the small details that matter. Check out the Batman logo right here on the front splitter. That is fucking awesome. Of course, this whole thing, carbon fiber body right here. Now, the funny thing about this car is not the car itself, but the reactions to this particular car. Obviously, it's on Saudi plates right over here. But dude, the reactions and the weird comments that you get driving this car around Carmel is absolutely ridiculous. We should do like a compilation video of some of the weird remarks and comments that we get or that we hear when this thing is driving around. It's like a revolving door, guys. Each car just drives up. We got Bruce Wayne's Rolls Royce right here, right next to the Batmobile. That's pretty awesome. We got the K-Truck, the Cop, and now a Rolls Royce. We're currently experiencing something that we call supercar and hypercar fatigue during Monterey Car Week. So everything here kind of just blends in. There's a lot of supercars. There's a lot of nice cars running amok here. But if you want to stand out, you gotta get something different, guys. And there it is. Ooh, we also got the official VW film crew locking it down. Got the official VW film team, but they're in a Chevy. That doesn't really make any sense, but check this out. You think I was lying? I was not. And of course, you got the Lamborghini test drives happening over here. One of each model. There you go. The Batmobile from the video game Arkham's Asylum. A bunch of jabronis. We didn't even realize right around the corner, right across the China Rock, is a Lamborghini Veyron in orange. Yeah, we're just talking about the Urus color. Now that's a nice photo, but they could have done a little bit better with the color. Got the new G-Wagon over there. They're all just taking photos, I guess. But anyways, a lot of these little parking lots all in and around 17-mile drive, there's always random photo shoots happening left and right. So, oh, we got a Lambo. Nice, did a little pull. Let her rip, come on. Nothing but air. Got the Lexus LS 500 F-Sport here at the Bernardus Lodge. It's where McLaren has its headquarters at. Check out that flip paint color. Well, it's not really flip paint. It's got more green and bluish tint to it. Got the Deems P1 being unloaded right over there. And there goes the Deems P1 as well. That's how we roll, baby. That's how we do, bro. Get out of my show. Damn. He means business. No fussing around. We got a Legos 720S right over here. We got little Lego man just chilling right over there. That's pretty sick. We got some dudes on the brake discs that are also made out of Legos on real Pirelli tires. Check this out. We got a purple McLaren Senna. It's a very dark purple. It's barely visible even in the sunlight. But no polarizer. Sorry guys. Ferrari F50. The EB110 was sat right here. We just missed it, but we did catch it leaving the Bernardus Lodge. Very nice. I don't know what it is with this year, but we got another Veyron with a funky looking wrap and some funky looking wheels. Ooh, a Volvo wagon in blue. Now this is nice. I don't know what's going on over here. We got the chrome P1 lifted up and being worked on. Ooh. Dude, we got the blue crew rolling through. Mr. iPod F430. There he is. Another blue GT3. Our car is not blue.
Yeah.
Well, I have a blue car and it's not here because it's fucking broken.
If your car's here, it would be a nice combo shot.
That would be a nice combo shot, but alas.
All the blue cars are here.
993 Speedster. Many thanks to Marcus, because I don't know any of these Porsches, but there you guys have it. I'm filming them for you guys. Oh, Disco Volante. Oh shit, Superleggera. Yeah, that was a silver Disco Volante and a Superleggera Touring that just drove past. There's nothing to say, but whoa! What a squad. What a squad. Will he do a pull? Yes, he will. We got a Heritage Edition 4GT. Nice plate, Le Mans X5. That's some Wolf of Wall Street shit right there, guys. Guys, check out that Performante. It's got white diffuser with white HREs. Wowzers. Got a Bugatti Veyron. That's a well nice color. Time out, everyone. Time out. Time out. Beautiful specs, sir, but what are those on your bumper? Are those dinner plates? Bookshelves? Oh, they're US bumpers. Look at that. Stratman, if you don't get one, I'll be disappointed. Oh, look at that too. Guys, Yellowbird CT R3 OG Yellowbird. Holy, whoa, more. Whoa, no way. It's a roof convention, guys. Holy smokes. Now we're rolling. All right, let's go. And we've hit more traffic. Got the whole Italian stampede rolling through. We got the Lambo. There's an F50 right over there. Scud just went in, and we, of course, we got the one and only Batmobile. No, not the Porsche. The Batmobile. Chassis number 1, F50. Rolling right next to the Batmobile. And of course, we got our LS 500 F-Sport just chilling illegally. But that's okay. Ooh, nice. Damn, that truck is not happy. Got the Batmobile in the flesh. It was on Gumball 3000. It was in Monaco. It's been all over Europe. It's been in what, Iceland? Or I don't even remember. There he is, Crucial Cali Cars, the man himself. Got a matte black Aventador. This is the Batman shit right here. Whoa. Dude, we're inside the Carrabba's Batmobile. The chassis is based off a Lamborghini Gallardo. Got a bat logo on the horn right here. Gold accents. It's fucking sick. It's got cameras on each side. Left, center, right. I don't know, guys. The Batmobile is pretty sick, but so is this. Now that's a combo. Standard car weight combo. Now, guys, I'm not so sure what's going on here, but it's got a front plate. Ooh. Vanquish Volante. Beautiful spec. All right, guys, we're currently back on Ocean Avenue here in the heart of Car Week in Carmel. Yellow A12, but the problem right now is it's sort of like it's not really Arab o'clock right now because there aren't that many Arabs. It's kind of like Flex o'clock. I like that. Flex o'clock. There we go. We got Zach Brell right over there. Hey, there he is. We got a dog spot and a, ooh, that is a tight fit for the number 300 Bugatti Supersport. Get the shot. Nice. That's pretty sick. All right, anyways, I think we got a couple of Bugattis and Koenigsegg's lined up right over here. I'm gonna guess it's the King. Oh, it's Lamborghini KS. Chris Singh, where's the Veneno? We got the Macchina Volante with the King's car, and we got the Veyron from the other night, and a McLaren. I'm not a big fan of the new Vantage because they sort of look like F-types, but dude, that color is pretty nice. It's hard to pick up the color here. We got a Rosso Dino F12 TDF. The cars, nice. Oh yeah, oh, I got a 5. Are you kidding me right now? Give me that 10, baby, give me that 10. Oh, we got a couple 10s, yes. But they gave that 9s and 10s. They know what's up.